everyone, this is Katie from Katie Williamson Web and Social Media Consulting. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a web and social media strategist who helps lady bosses make sure all their online tools are working and converting better than ever before. So today I'm going to be walking you through a quick tutorial on how to install a Facebook pixel for your WordPress website. I will put some information at the bottom about how you can install it on your Squarespace site, but this is going to be a strictly WordPress tutorial. And for those of you who are wondering, why do I need to install this Facebook pixel to my website? I'm not planning on running Facebook ads right now. Well, the reason that you should do it is because let's say that you decide to run Facebook ads in a year or in 2 months or whenever. If you have the pixel installed, then there's all of this data that Facebook's been tracking because when you install the pixel, it is tracking who visits your website. So if you've already installed the pixel, then Facebook will have all of this data as opposed to starting fresh when you decide to run Facebook ads. So the longer you have the pixel installed, then the more data Facebook will have. So that way you can run the ad to more people. So I definitely recommend just installing it even if you're not planning on running Facebook ads anytime soon. So that way it's ready to go. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook pixel for your Facebook business page. Okay everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to install a Facebook pixel on your WordPress website. So first what you want to do is you want to head to your Facebook business page. So this is mine. I am using Facebook Business Manager, but otherwise everything is completely the same. So down here, if I go to where it says promote and click, I'm going to click manage all promotions. And then from there, at the bottom, once it loads, it will give me these different promotions I can create, but I don't want to create a promotion here. Instead, I want to go to the Ads Manager. And so then I will arrive at the Ads Manager, and once this loads, mine's going to have some data in it and some information because I've run some ads for myself and a couple other accounts as well. But if you've never run a Facebook ad, then this will all be empty. So what you can do is you can go up here to where it says Ads Manager. There is a drop-down menu. We can click on All Tools and select Pixel. And if you don't have a pixel, it will ask you if you want to create one. So I already have one created. So it's not going to ask me, but you can go ahead and create one. You give it a name, and then it's going to basically give you something like this. It will say install base code, which that's what we're going to do right now, is just install the base code. So we can copy that to the clipboard. So that is my Facebook pixel. A Facebook pixel is basically just a line of code. It doesn't add anything. Well, I mean, it adds some code to your website, but it's something that you'll see visibly, and it's not going to bother anything on your website. So once you have this, we're going to go over to your Facebook website, to your dashboard, and we're going to install a plugin. And so if you don't, you just go to add new plugin, and you would install this insert headers and footers. And so as you can see, I have this plugin already installed, insert headers and footers. So that means that I can easily use that plugin to insert my Facebook pixel into my website. So now in order to actually paste that code that we copied from the Ad Manager into this plugin, so that way it runs throughout my website, I'm going to go to Settings, and then kind of in the middle of my list there's Insert Headers and Footers. So I'll click on that, and I'm going to put it in the header where it says Scripts and Headers. I'm just going to paste my WordPress pixel. And so if it says the script will be printed in the head section, the head section is basically the section of, it's a section of HTML code that comes before everything in the body of your website, which is basically the body of your website is everything that appears on the page. So we'll hit save. Oh, well, you probably won't get this, but I'm going to whitelist this action so I can refresh this page or try it again. My firewall was definitely working well this time. Okay, so now I have that script installed, and then I'm going to go to my homepage, kwilliamson.com, and I have a Chrome extension called, it's like the Facebook Pixel Tracker or something. I'll put that in the, Facebook Pixel Helper. I'll definitely put a link to this into the notes, but it only works in Chrome, but it will tell you whether or not your Facebook pixel is installed. And so this is saying that one Facebook pixel is found on my website, and it's the page view, which is exactly what I want at this point because that means that it's tracking anyone that visits my website. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can always email me at kwilliamson.com or reach out to me on social media at Katie Williamson on Instagram and Twitter. So if you have any questions, as I mentioned, just let me know.